In this video, I am going to show you how to upload your resume on Indeed. Step 1. First, go to the Indeed website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll see to create a button to create a new account by following the registration process. 2. Look for a button or link that says Upload Resume on your account dashboard or within the resume section. This option is typically displayed to make it easier for users to find. 3. Click on Upload Resume to open your file browser. Locate the resume file on your computer. Select your resume file and click Open or Upload in the file browser to start the upload process on Indeed. After uploading, you'll be prompted to set your privacy settings. You typically have options such as making your resume public or private, but can be used to apply for jobs. Decide on the level of visibility you're comfortable with. If you're actively job searching and open employers contacting you, the public setting might be beneficial for you. If you prefer more privacy or are only applying to specific jobs, choose the private option. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.